Hey, thanks for clicking on the video here in this article. I put this article up here just to share my enthusiasm about GoHighLevel. Now, give you a bit of a background. I have been and still am a Infusionsoft slash Keap partner. I have been for over a decade, and I've been hearing a lot of chatter over the last couple of years about high level, hearing it in podcasts that I follow and everything, and I decided to check it out. Now, at the time of recording this video, which is August 24th, I have been using GoHighLevel for about 6 days now. Now, immediately coming into the platform, I came in at the middle tier, so I'm able to have the unlimited sub accounts below me, which is awesome. As an agency, this is going to be absolutely a game changer. Ultimately, looking at this platform because of the feature set, which I want to talk about a bit in this video with you, but putting more money in your pocket versus a model where you're just getting a commission off of the sales and everything with it. So the reason that I absolutely like this platform is because of everything that it can do. Now, this is my active one. I decided to screen share this just to prove to you that yes, I'm actually using the platform that's in here. But I'm not actually going to go through and click on the different elements because there's client information that's in here. You can't see anything from this screen. But the fact that we're able to have a full CRM, calendar with calendar bookings. This is the part that I absolutely love about the calendars is you can integrate Zoom and you can integrate Google Meet. Whereas with Keap, we couldn't do Google Meet, we can do Zoom and everything like that. Now there's other CRMs out there that will do those as well. The conversations tab, having all the different chats coming in from text messaging, from Facebook, Instagram, Google Message, all coming into that one inbox. Love that. Opportunities pipeline, pretty straightforward. Invoicing seems pretty clean, integrating with QuickBooks, which is a good thing to have. Integrates with Stripe for the payment. You can do all your subscriptions, your invoicing, all that kind of stuff in there. From the marketing side, you can do what are called funnels. So very similar to ClickFunnels and what ClickFunnels has. You can actually, if you're using ClickFunnels and you're moving over, you can import your ClickFunnels actual funnels and it will bring it over, which is a great time saver as well. And then they have different automations that are in there, very similar to what ActiveCampaign would have for their automation builder, where you kind of got the lines that come down and they break out and all that kind of stuff. So one thing that I did notice in there that was really kind of the first thing that I went to, being an automation guy, was I went into the automation side and I started to play around with all the different things that you can do in there. I can go into that part because it's not going to give any client information in here, but they're called workflows actually. But if we go and we create a workflow, they've got these different templates that you can do. They call them recipes, which is a great starter. But I'm just going to show you in here. This is the part that kind of like got me. All this stuff, right? Already integrated. Now you would have had to do this stuff with Zapier and another platform. Google Sheets, Slack integration, webhooks, formatting, ChatGPT AI. You can send emails, SMS, calls, voicemail drops, Messenger, Instagram DMs, manual SMS, manual calls, Google My Business messaging. You've got affiliate side, so you can build out your own affiliate process or program for your business. You've got your contact tags, your notes, your ownership, workflows adding. You can enable and disable Do Not Disturb on there. You got Stripe one-time charges, AI appointment booking bots. We've got add to Google Analytics, add to Facebook for the different advertising. Memberships, you can grant offers. You got a ton of stuff that you can do. And looking at this, if you've built out automation before and you have so many great abilities to do with these tools or things to do with these tools, the sky is the limit of what you can do in GoHighLevel. So that's one of the things that I absolutely love about that part of it, okay? And then you got into being able to do full memberships or full sites in here. There's different things like you said, your funnels, your websites, blogs, client portals. So now your clients can go in and log in and you have full branding capabilities. When we were doing yesterday, working on a funnel, they've now absolutely integrated the connection with GoDaddy. So now when you put in the URL and you say connect your domain, it'll just log you into your GoDaddy and it will set up the whole DNS record for you. You basically don't have to know anything about DNS records, and it will do that for you. Your memberships side of things, you can have your courses, you've got reputation management, and then obviously reporting. Now, I mentioned a lot in here. Basically, what I'm saying is GoHighLevel is killing it from a feature set. The other element that stood out to me was being able to go into needing help and joining their Zoom call. The moment you get in there, you have a live attendant who is asking you what you're here for and will put you into a dedicated Zoom room to then have one of their support agents hop in and help you work through whatever it is that you need help with through a screen share. So no longer you have to do some text chats or anything like that. It's all integrated. So check it out. Now, a couple things here. If you're reading through the post, at the very bottom, I have a link to, it's our affiliate link. When you sign up as a customer, you get an affiliate link there. But you get a 14-day free trial, which is a fully functioning free trial. That's what we're currently in at the moment. If you watch this after a week or so, we're out of it and fully into the paid version, or being paid, same functions that are in there. But as we go through this, we are actually helping clients build out their automation. So if you'd like to use the platform, the full functioning stuff that's here, message me, and we can get you in with our account here, but we'll also help set everything up for you as well. So we can discuss what's going to work best for you. So let me know any questions you have, and be happy to help you out.